Why speaking in English? Why should I speak English daily? Speaking is a very important part for me to speak in English 10 minutes daily every day. Because if I am not going to speak in English, whatever the topic I can choose, the topic could be magazine, topic can be movie, the response, the incident that happened with you last night, how are you planning your future, how was your day yesterday, just like if I want to describe my today in the morning, uh, I awake early in the morning. Uh, some of you guys can't remember, can't say that it was early. It was around 8:30, but I slept at the 3 a.m. So it could be I slept only for 5 hours, 5.5 hours. So I awoke early in the 8:30 a.m. But my mind was saying that don't go to the coaching class, don't go to the English speaking class. But my body wanted to sleep there, but my mind resisted at that time, insisted me to go and read the lesson, learn the lesson. What are you reading there that will improve your life, that can enhance your future career? There are so many questions were in my mind, and I was thinking all about. So I suddenly wake up from the bed and did my all the work and fresh myself, and I ride my scooty towards the Sabad where the institute was situated, and studied there. Study was boring at the time because the person who was teaching English, I don't think she has much more knowledge than me. It is not very arrogant for me, not very prideful for me, but I have analyzed these things. The pronunciation that she was using, the test that I was asking her, she was not answering correct answers. She was hesitating to talk about if I showed him the wrong things that were written on the test. So, but particularly it is going to be help. It is going to help me in some way other way. It is going to, because I am waking up for it and making an effort to go there and going there and learning all the words, whether it is necessary or not. But there are words that I can learn there as well. And after that, I came home. I took a little bit of rest. Then a call came from my manager, Prem sir. Prem sir called me to join the meeting. It was a daily con call, every day's procedure. So I joined the call. After joining the call, there were all the stores in Pitampura, in Mukherjee Nagar, in Adarsh Nagar. There were several topics to be discussed, and at Shalimar Bagh also, I was responsible person for the Shalimar Bagh store. So I joined the meeting, and in which I was answering the questions, but my mic was not working. If the my mic sorry for the pardon, my mic was not working, and Anil sir, Rana Pratap Bag's SM, was telling me that you are using that kind of ninja technique that you're showing is not good for you, and you have to get your mic fixed tomorrow. That will be not good for you. I was very angry at that. I started typing the messages. He was showing. He was thinking that I have been making them fool. Are they are they really person like that? I can make them fool? If they think so, they are the fools. Because I don't have any intention. I don't have any intention to make them fool and avoid the meetings or con calls. I can answer each and every questions that is going to be asked to me. So why when so so what is the problem? Then some answered some questions, and some questions were answered by me, but they were not listening me because I have already told them the mic was not working, so were not listening to my talk. And I called after that meeting, I called the Rohan Muteja, the person who is mediator between merchant and the store manager and Blinkit team. I informed him that the procedure that you are following in Shalimar is not going to work. at the end of day, because our performance is degrading by day, and we are responsible for, we are accountable for that. And if a question has to be asked to me or to us, then we can take the corrective actions. If we cannot corrective action, then the mediator will come between us. The mediator is going to work for them. He will ask them to do the work in a certain way, so that our complaints can be reduced. If they are not doing the work according to a standard of our company, then it is not good for us. And I answered some questions to him. He was talking about the riders management was initial your part, but guards work is to be done in the in-house in the store. But I informed him that the security guard that you have aligned here is not working in the store, and that work that has to be done to the by the guard, he is not doing so. So if he is not doing the work of outside workers, so he should work inside. If he is not doing the work of inside of the in the store, so he should be working outside the store. Both can be manageable. If he is going to work there, we will be very free. We will be really outside. We will be outside. If we are listening to them, then it very would be very dangerous for them, that they are not listening, and they are not listening about what we are doing.